Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that Zama token. Now before we start the video, let's share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the white paper, the Zama confidential blockchain protocol, simply the Zama protocol enable issuing, managing and trading assets confidentiality on existing public blockchains. It is the most advanced confidentiality protocol to date, offering end-to-end encryption of transaction inputs and state. No one can see the data, not even node operators. Composability between confidential contracts as well as with non-custodial ones. Developers can build on top of other contracts, tokens, and DApps. Programmable confidentiality. Smart contracts define who can decrypt what, meaning developers have full control over confidentiality rules in their application. The Zama protocol is not a new L1 and L2, but rather a cross-chain confidentiality layer sitting on top of existing chains. As such, users don't need to bridge to a new chain and chain interact with confidential DApps from everywhere they choose. The Zama token is the native token of the Zama protocol. It is used for protocol fees and staking. It follows a burn and mint model where 100% of the fees are burned and tokens are minted to rewards operators. Zama token total supply is 11 billion and circulating supply is around 2.2 billion Zama token. Zama token is listed on Binance, Coinbase, OKX, Bybit and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 90% chances is that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.